Hello everyone. Today's topic democracy. Democracy, your voice, your power. Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the world of democracy, a system of government where you have to power to shape your world. We will explore what democracy is, how it works, and why your voice matters. Buckle up because you are about to discover how democracy empowers you. Definition: democracy is a governmental system where power rests with the people, either directly or through elected representatives. This form of governance prioritizes equality, freedom, and citizen participation in decision making. In a democratic community, individuals can freely voice their opinions, participate in election, and demand accountability from their leaders. Democracy advocates for transparency, inclusivity, and upholding human rights. It serves as a fundamental principle in numerous contemporary societies, aiming to empower citizens to influence and shape the direction of their country. The roots of democracy. Democracy isn't a new concept. It all started in ancient Greek around 500 BC. Back then, citizens would gather in open air assembly halls to discuss issues and vote on laws. This meant the power to make decisions rested with the people, not just a king or a small group of elites. History. Democracy has ancient roots. Tracking back to Greek around 500 BC, citizens gathered in open air assembly halls to debate and vote on laws. This system gave power to the people, not just a select few. The core principles of democracy: equality. Everyone's voice has equal weight regardless of background. Participation. Citizens actively engage in the democratic process. Majority rule. Decisions are made based on the will of the majority. Minority rights. The rights of those who disagree are protected. The different flavors of democracy. Direct democracy. Citizens vote directly on every decision, not very practical today. Representative democracy. Citizens elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf, most common from today. Constitutional democracy, a system with a written constitution that defines the power of government and protects individual rights. Why does democracy matter? Why democracy matters? Democracy gives you a say in your government and future. You can hold your leaders accountable. Empowered citizens to advocate for change. Think, protest, or petitions. Challenges and responsibilities. Democracy isn't perfect. Voter apathy, where people don't vote, weakens and the system. Many misinformation, also known as fake news, can spread confusion and influence your vote. Gerrymandering is when voting districts are drawn. Thank you. Thanks for watching.